I got the Fenty. So, I know.
Christmas time is here, and with the blessings from above, God sends you His love, and everything's okay. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holiday.
We're back from Walking Honest. It is raining and gloomy outside, but here we are. Show what's going on. So, I give him the neutral dry food, but I recently grabbed. I was recently sent this Solid Gold Nutrient Boost Protein Shred Meal Topper, kind of like his wet food. So we're gonna try that and see how he does with this. Serving size wise, I'm gonna do like a little bit. And if he likes it, we'll do some now. I take his wet food and I kind of like mix it into his dry food. Let's see how he does. Let's get first impressions from Bub. Okay. Okay, I think he likes it. Oh, sorry, mind your way. I'm sorry. Okay, I think he likes it. We'll report back. But so far, looks like he likes it. I'm finally dressed. It took me like an hour to find these leggings that I bought from Target. That's what I get for just not putting these away when I first get them in the house. So, okay, change of plans. So I was supposed to go to my chiropractor's office this morning. Not the top being on this whole time. Embarrassing. But we're gonna meet this afternoon. So I'm hating this job vibe. So instead, it is right now 11:15. I'm going to actually quickly finish up the metrics from last night for that client I was telling you about, and then I'm going to grab a lunch. I think I want kava. I can't decide if I want kava or if I want tropical smoothie. I feel like that would be easiest because I'm wearing such like a light shirt. This is the Adele Hello It's Me. Can you even see that? Hold on. Yeah, it says Hello It's Me. It's from Adele when she did her residency in Vegas. One of my coworkers went and I sent her the money to buy me this crew neck and another top from Adele. So I went to the concert, but I didn't. Shout out to Samantha for buying me this and sending it to me. So I'm wearing this as my crew neck today. I'm wearing leggings and we're gonna have like my little tall socks. So very athleisure vibes, partly because it's raining outside. I don't want to wear a hat, but I likely will, just so I can kind of protect my hair. But this is it. I also decided if I want to do some like makeup because I'm gonna get adjusted. I don't want to do too much makeup, but I do think I just want to put some, maybe I do like a no makeup look, like concealer only, something light. Let's go do that, then we'll finish the metrics. Actually, it's 11:15. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my makeup, go to tropical smoothie. I'll get a smoothie, the detox smoothie, and then we'll finish up the client work before I head out and go to meet with him to help shoot his content for his pages. And then I'll come back while Honest go to church. Also, I did pick up Fenty's edge gel. Let me try that really quick because as y'all can see, my edges are not laid. Thankfully, they're naturally laid, but you know, they're getting a little bit of fuzzy. So let me go grab that real quick. Okay, when I was in Sephora last, I got the Fenty. Sorry, can you focus, please? Thank you. I got the Fenty Edge Control. I got the Fenty brush with it. And then I also picked up the Pattern Beauty double-sided brush. Mainly for when I have my hair out, but I needed some brushes. So let's lay these edges, see how they hold up. even the, y'all, even the, can you tell? Can you see it? Yeah. That is nice. Okay, Rihanna. Okay, girl. Alright. Here's the brush. I'm such an idiot because why is that not the, why is it the plastic on this thing? Hold on. Okay, this is just a plastic topper. That's not the gel. Wow, girl. Be for real. Smells so good. It smells like something right out of a hair shop. I'm just gonna put it down there. Let's see how she holds up. See that? Wow. When I tell you I want to fight this tripod, I might have to go on Amazon today and order a new tripod because this is actually really pissing me off. Okay, but back to the hair. Edges are looking laid. It smells so good. I will give you that. Wow. Okay. Edges are nice and laid. Love that for me. And I haven't had to put heat on my hair since I got my hair done, which is nice. We are wearing a hat, so that's that on that. Alright, let's, oh, it's so gloomy outside. Alright, 11:23 and gloomy. I just don't want to have to get out of my car. That's the problem. Like, what can I do till I get out of my car? Alright. Okay, we're gonna keep this very simple today. I say that, but I'm really trying my best not to do a full face. I just need a little touch up. A little touch up.
Promise not to you.
You know, I just read something on Instagram that said that under eye concealer is dead. And let me let y'all know something right now. I don't care nothing about these little Gen Z, Gen Alpha girlies and what they gotta say about makeup. If you wanna wear under eye concealer, baby, wear under eye concealer. This is my little everyday not so much makeup, minimal products. So let's go get some food and we'll come back and knock out some work. Okay, so I did end up changing my crew neck only because I don't trust myself with my makeup, and I just felt like I was gonna get that crew neck dirty, and it's such a pretty cream crew neck. I was like, you know what, I don't trust myself. Put on the gray. You've worn this plenty of times before. I'll show you guys a closer shot, but it's so cute. It says Black women deserve luxury, and it's sewn, I think it's on this side, sewn on the front. It's so stinking cute. I love it so much. This is one of my favorite crew necks. I decided what I want to eat for lunch. Not chocolate smoothie, not kava. I think it's Jimmy John's. I want a sub. I want that sub. Do you guys remember like vlogs ago? I ate that sub, that Philly cheesesteak. That's what I want. I want a Philly cheesesteak sub. And that's what I'm gonna get. And it is officially 12 o'clock. Come back home, work for about 2 hours, and then I need to get to the chiropractor by 3. We're gonna shoot from 3 to 4:30. I'm gonna come home, I'm gonna walk Onyx, I'm gonna go to church. I'm not in focus, I'm not sure why. So busy. The day got busy. At first it wasn't busy, and then I feel like a short amount of time just like snuck up on me. And then I need to get to church a little early because I need to fill out some stuff. So that's what we got going on. We are making it. yeah, busy day. It's being so dark. Okay. It was called Jersey Mike's. That's where I'm going. Jersey Mike's subs. All right, let's go. Let's go get some food. So I got the Philly cheesesteak combo, so we get some chips and a drink. Oh, I'm about to tear this up. I'm so hungry. So ideally, I don't like to eat and work. I try to like create some type of I try to create some type of space. Sorry, it's so dark, y'all. So it's just a little bit. Pause this real fast. I'm watching I Am Shelly. We love her. We love her here. Ooh, this exposure. See, 1 minute is too dark, 1 minute is too bright. You never know. But like I said, I try not to eat as I'm working. I try to like create a separate, get away from my desk lunch. But because I have to head out relatively soon, I want to finish up this stuff, get the social post for today posted, and then finish up these metrics. And so I'm going to have to do that and do like a working lunch. Not ideal, but it is what it is. And it's almost 1 o'clock, so we have about 15 minutes before yesterday's vlog goes live. And we are making some strides.
Let's ask the experts. For the right used car, just say, show me the Carfax value.
Oh, okay, so okay, yay! Y'all, when I get feedback, okay, real talk. Sorry, it's so dark in here. Why is it so dark? Hold on, let me plug in my little light. Hold on. So we're not gonna have y'all not being able to see me. That's not cute. I forgot I had this little light. I think I got this from Target. So I'll link it if y'all are interested. Hold on. Ooh, okay, right. But what was I saying? I think I talked about this at one point, but one of the things that I am trying to be more mindful about in real time is taking captive negative thoughts. So, for example, I opened this document where I put all the metrics, and I was going through the feedback just now, and I expected, like whenever I see a lot of comments in the document that I created, or like a report or draft copy, when I see this over influx of comments, part of me gets really anxious, and I think like, oh, I didn't do a good job, oh, it's terrible work, oh my god, I'm gonna get fired. Like, I have a lot of those thoughts, and a large part is because, again, I was working at organizations that were really toxic and nice nasty and not considering me as a person. And so I've been really actively working on making sure that I don't, one, I take those thoughts captive. 2, I replace them with thoughts that are true. And then 3, I breathe. So in real time, prime example, I was reading through the comments, and my first thought before I saw her notes was like, oh, okay, what did I screw up now? What didn't I do? What questions is she gonna have that I'm not gonna answer? I feel like an imposter. Like, I had all those thoughts. And then I just kind of quickly skimmed through her notes. I was like, oh, these are not bad notes. They're just like things to talk about. And the truth is that I pulled together a great report. I'm still getting better at data analytics. I'm still refining how I measure and track success. 3, these people I'm working with as my clients are not the people that I worked with as my coworkers and my managers. So these two are not mutually exclusive. They're not the same. And yeah, that's why it's really important to read your Bible. It's really important to know the Word of God. It's really important to speak life over yourself, because those intrusive thoughts, baby, they come. And you got thoughts flying, and you don't take them thoughts captive. Hello? Okay? Somebody? Okay? So anyway, yay. So I'm gonna go back in and add a couple of notes that she asked me to drop in. Then I'm gonna post today's post, and then I'm gonna do what I gotta do for the rest of the day. So yay, it wasn't all bad. Praise the Lord. He's working on me, y'all. He's working on me. Just made it to the chiropractor's office. It is not torrential downpour, but a steady flow of rain, and I absolutely hate that for us. So we made it. Let's thank God for traveling mercies, because you know roads get slick and people don't know how to drive. All right, let me grab my stuff: camera, umbrella, phone, all the things. Okay, I'll set it. Okay, let's go.
So tell me, what do you think is the most challenging thing about your job?
It's quite easy, just sitting all day.
He signed no contracts.
No contracts, you ain't got the waivers, nothing.
No, nothing.
Yeah,
You just want me out here.
Yeah, come on down. We just video from this.
Okay.
Yeah, just doing scans. Yeah. This will be good. B-roll.
Oh my God. Oh wait. No, never mind. I was gonna say, I just realized I could actually film on my phone with that tripod. It's a Jesus.
Yeah, I saw you on somebody's podcast.
Oh yeah, my friend from church had a podcast.
On the gram.
Oh my gosh.
Is it the gram? It's not the gram?
It's just Instagram.
It's just Instagram.
Yeah.
So stand by here.
Who was out here saying the gram?
What? Dude, before you show your face.
Oh my gosh. Lord help him.
Oh man, that's so funny. There we go.
It's funny because you think you're funny. Like, you cracking yourself up.
I do be cracking myself up.
You're not that funny, but you just be geeking.
I'm hilarious to me.
Yeah, I know.
Y'all guys is a different type of sister. That's what's really going on.
Oh, it's us.
From France, she's from some other city. And she was saying the same thing. Because it's subtle.
And it's like, I don't feel pain there, so I
Yeah.
wouldn't even think, I wouldn't even know.
Yeah, because if I just push there,
Yeah.
it's nothing. If I, there it is. Right, it's a little bit of difference. Yeah. So you've always used something?
Yeah, that's my first.
Oh, okay, it's your first camera. Okay, yeah.
Because before I was doing like all my content on my phone.
Yeah, I got the R50.
Oh, I've heard great things about the R50.
It's great for, I really like it for, like, office. All tone and geared towards that healing tone.
Thank you.
So it's kind of good when you like kind of look at like the nuance of that.
No, it's really, and it's just kind of insane how intentional. Okay, I think we'll prep questions better. I mean, I do like off the cuff, so I like when I just get to ask people and get real raw answers.
Yeah. Or you script more.
No, I don't think we need to script more. I think I just need to flesh out what questions I want to ask.
Sure.
That way, when we get it, we can just like
Just go.
get it. No, your answers were good. A little long.
Yeah.
You're a yapper. You like to talk a lot, which is great. But if I want to be able to bite size them for socials, then we need to just like get to the point a little faster. Just a little faster. Nothing crazy.
But you edit and cut.
When I will edit and cut, but some stuff you.
Because that's what I do to myself. I know I do that. And so what I do myself is like if you watch the video, like you watch my short, like I just edit it.
And chop it down.
Chop it down. And get
At least 3 to 5 videos in there.
Sure, yeah.
It may be a little longer, a little more than that. So I'll spend some time this week editing that, and then I can't come next Wednesday. I can come Wednesday morning if we do like 10 to 12 and do more videos and get more people if you have clients then.
Yeah, I have clients. Yeah, and then if you need to do it during the day, we do it.
Okay.
But yeah.
But I'm curious to see how, like, with these videos, how if we, as we chop them up, like the little, well, like, because in my brain, I'll, if you want me to, I'll send you the raw videos. I think I kind of want to edit it in a way of like, the first clip is like a black screen with like typing, and it's like the ad. It's me having 5% battery and 1 minute left on this memory card, which is absolutely insane. So let me switch out the battery and the memory card and circle back. Bud. Hey bud, did you miss me? I missed you. I miss you so much. Hi baby. Okay, and we're back in action. So it is 5:39. Usually I'll be leaving to go to church right now. But because I was running late at the chiropractic office, I now need to finish this, walk Bubs, and then skedaddle to church. But the Lord's gonna make a way. I'll get there when I get there. Safety is more important. So let me go to this draft dock and pull. How did I get signed out of all my accounts? Can y'all please? Thank you. Okay, we did this one today. So straight through. Now, that's what I was doing. I was putting this in the drive. Mail. Drive. Cool.
Another SoulSul pizza from SoulSul's Pizza.
Okay, 419. So what I'm trying to do right now is pull some photos for our creative designer to do some stuff. Not my creative designer, but the girl who works with this client with me. And that way she can have access to the folder while she does the designs I need for social posts. Okay, we did it. All right, so that's done. I'm gonna just, oh, you know what I need to do while I'm gone? While I'm at church, I'm gonna transfer this footage over. So I also need to edit. Oh my God, I have 3 minutes left on this car, okay. All right. Honest, I promise we're about to go.
Thank you, and thank you to Frosties for hosting this event.
Alright. Awesome.
I regret to inform you that we at Schultz have discontinued Season of Spice and withdrawn our entry from the competition. Seems there was some question of the provenance of the recipe. So, without further ado, the winner of the first annual brewski competition and an East Coast distribution contract with Schultz Brewing Company is...
Okay, I'm gonna walk Bubs, change his memory card out because now I'm at 2 minutes. And I think, actually I think I can wrap up here. Because when I come back from church tonight, I'm really just gonna edit this video. So yeah, let's wrap up. This was pretty much a full day in my life. It was busy. It wasn't busy and then it got busy, but just to show you guys that not every day looks the same. I did get a lot done with the client work, which I'm really happy about. I did not do anything I said I was gonna do as far as like my business stuff and like prepping for like cute holiday thank yous and notes. So we'll do that in a different vlog. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did. You want to say bye? Come on. I'm gonna take him for a walk before I leave him again to go to church. Hi, bud. But I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, friends, be well, do well, and be safe. And I will catch you in my next Vlogmas video. Say bye. Come on, bud. Don't be rude. Say bye. Say bye. Alright, y'all. Bye.